god, guys, it's a hidden Mickey.
Please stop.
What am I doing?
No.
Guys, I'm quitting YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn, and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So today I'm going to be doing a highly requested video, and that is what is on my iPhone. So in my last video I mentioned that I got a new phone. I have the iPhone 14 Pro purple color, and so I'm just going to be touring you guys around my iPhone, showing you things, showing you what you guys want to see. First, let's take a spin of the phone. Wow. On the back I have it's purple, but the purple is like kind of dark. It's like a really dark purple. Here, I'll like show you guys. So on the back, this is what it looks like. I put stickers in my case, and Jimin, I love Jimin. So I just put stickers. I actually put plastic so I didn't have to stick the stickers onto my actual phone. And I'm gonna show you guys the color of the phone because the purple is actually pretty dark. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty though, so sleek, so smooth. So this is what it looks like. Super pretty. In some lights it looks like the black phone, the black version, and in some lights it's like, whoa, that is a grape. And this is the plastic that I used for my stickers. I'm so innovative. Hashtag women in STEM. So this is the front page of my phone. I have the newest update, so it's like a little different. Kind of weird, kind of cool. So this is my homepage. I like to decorate my homepage because I think it's so cute. And when I got the new update, I thought, new update, new me, new homepage. So I changed the layout and everything. All my widget smith. So I changed the iPhone icons. I changed the icons of everything, which I think is so adorable. Oh, and I have a locket, so that's Skyla. I love you and I miss you, Skyla. Come home from Hawaii.
Hi, Skyla.
She all the way in Hawaii. She hates me. So these are just my home pages. I think they're so cute, and a lot of people will bully people that do this, but they're the real losers, so don't believe them. And it took me like 2 hours to do this, by the way.
I can't find anything on your phone ever, so.
Okay, I know. My mom is always saying she can't find anything on my phone. First of all,
I can't.
what you went there for anyways?
Second
of all, it literally has the name of the apps on it. So if she just reads, it says Inst, which means Instagram. Cam would mean camera.
No.
And pin would mean Pinterest.
How would I know that? That pin means Pinterest.
Logic. Just logic.
Goodbye. At first they say I'm too black.
And they say I'm too white. I'm just being busy being me. I'm a be asleep, bruh.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna just show you guys some of the apps I have. So Instagram, camera, I already went over all of that. We can do, I'm gonna show you guys my Spotify, because I have so many Spotify playlists. So I have sad playlist, which isn't really sad. It's just a bunch of Lana Del Rey.
You would be sad so bad.
Whenever I play it, I'm like this in my bed. Looking at the car window. And then I have a chill playlist, which is just like all my songs. Then I have K-pop, but girl groups only, because they're the best.
And BTS.
Honestly. Yeah, exception. And then I just have a bunch of them. So you guys can see them all here. And then for some reason I have a lot of best songs. I looked that up one time and it's been stuck on there for like a week.
A lot of best songs.
I don't know why Spotify does this, where it gives me like things I would want, because for some reason it's like for romantic and sexy encounters.
Oh.
Why would I want that?
Okay, Spotify.
Like, make out jams. Why would I want this? Spotify is getting bold. I think they want me.
They're shooting their shot right now.
They're not shooting their shot right now. So then I have YouTube, Amazon. I love Amazon.
You do love Amazon.
I love Amazon, but my mom won't let me log into her Amazon account because she swear I'm just gonna buy stuff.
Because my card is linked and you would just be shopping.
And then I would accidentally click the ship button.
Not accidentally. You would do it on purpose.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so I have Be Real. If you guys don't know what Be Real is, are you like even alive at this point? Because I love taking Be Reals. You go like that. Have you took a Be Real before? You?
Me? Are you?
Yeah.
I have no idea what a Be Real is.
Love Be Real. But
I did see that other girl on TikTok say that people are lazy and don't have a job.
Oh yeah,
because
they're always in bed. I haven't used Be Real in so long. I always post like 6 hours late, but it's whatever. I try my best, guys. Try my best.
Yeah.
Then I have my notes app where I can't even go on it because you guys, I have all information in there. Actually, I shouldn't be saying that on the internet. I have like all my information on there, so if anybody stole my phone and went to my notes app, they would have access to my whole entire life.
The wink?
Okay, so then over here are apps that I like don't have on my homepage because I got lazy and they're not cute enough to deserve to be on here. Oh. So they're just in this little trash bin. So I'm gonna go through these. I have Weverse.
Are we gonna talk about the fact that you stayed up until 4 a.m. to watch a concert on Weverse this morning? Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Moving on. So we have Roblox. I haven't played Roblox in so long, and I have Messages. What are my voice
Messages?
Messages. And the Drive. There's nothing in there, guys.
Your messages?
Yeah.
I text you all the time.
Exactly.
What?
That's the problem.
Oh, I won't text you no more. What the heck?
I have Life 360. I was about to click on it, but I'm not giving you guys my location. I only have Life 360 because I track where my friends are all the time. So if they're not at school yet, I'll click on it and then I zoom into where they're at, and then I spam them to get to hurry up. Or I like to click the SOS button, and I don't know if you're supposed to do that because people say it calls the police, but I don't think that's true. But when you click it, it sends a message and it's like, Jordyn needs SOS, Jordyn needs help, and I think it's so funny because it's like,
Cops are gonna show up one day.
Someone said the cops show up, and I'm like, you're lying. I like click it. SOS, guys, help.
You're a doofus.
I have Locket. I love Locket.
What's Locket?
Oh, okay. So Locket is like where you take a picture and like it shows up on the other person's home screen, like who you have added, and it's so cute because now you can put like little captions. So I like have like on my Lockets right now. It's literally all Skyla on my Locket because she's like the only one that
Skyla.
Like look at all. Oh, that's me. All of them are Skyla. But yeah, I love Locket. And then I have Snapchat, which I've never used.
I have had Snapchat for so long.
And I should just delete it because it's login, sign up. Like, I don't even... If anybody asks me my Snap, I'm like, oh, I don't have it. And they're like, you're lying.
I didn't realize people still used Snapchat.
They use it a lot.
I didn't realize that.
It's like...
There's so many other options for
now. It used to always be
photo
can I have
messaging.
Your Snap, and then now it's really just can I have your Instagram mostly again.
Yeah.
I used to, but like whenever people ask me for my Snapchat, I'm like I don't have it. They automatically assume I'm lying when I'm not like other girls and I don't have Snapchat.
Oh.
I'm joking, guys. Please don't hate me. I just got this phone, so I don't have a whole bunch of stuff, but for creativity, I use Lightroom to edit my pictures. Some of you guys asked what I use to edit, and it's just Lightroom. It's super easy. I just copy and paste the same settings on every photo. A lot of you guys ask what I use, like how I edit my photos, so if you guys want like a photo editing video, let me know. I might make it, I might not. It depends on how I'm feeling. But then over here we have education. Why is Tokoboko Hair Salon and education?
It's beauty school.
I'm going to cosmetology school.
What school do you go to?
Cosmetology.
What? Where? Where's that?
Cosmetology.
Where's the name of your
At
school?
the DMV.
At
But I love Taco Bell hair salon. It's so fun, and nobody can make fun of me for it because it's fun. Oh, let's go through my games, guys. Look at all my games.
Wow.
All of them are like.
No wonder you never get anything done.
My phone gets rid of things if I don't play on them for a while.
My phone takes away stuff too.
So all of these I have to like re-download. Like they're still on my phone, but I have to re-download them if I want to play it, which is so stupid. I did not ask for you to do that. Thanks for looking out for me, but I did not need your help.
And you have like 256 gigabytes, so why are they deleting stuff?
I don't know. So let's see. I have Adventure. That was like you sell lemonade and you become a billionaire. And then I have BitLife, and then I have Bowmaster. BTS.
Why do you sound so confused about the games that you got on your phone?
You're
You're so confused. Bowmaster? Like you didn't download it?
Because I can't read the name. And then I have BTS Island. That game is so fun.
I sound like Animal Crossing.
But I stopped playing it. I don't play it anymore. And I have coloring. Oh, Crossy Road. Draw Basketball. And then Egg Inc. And so many other games. But I love Egg Inc.
What is Egg Inc?
No, because you like the chickens. And the chickens make the eggs. And you gotta sell the eggs. But then your chickens need bigger houses.
Oh.
And chickens. Health and fitness. Look at all my fitness apps. I'm so, guys. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, burpee. Oh yeah. Let's go, burpee. Oh yeah. Let's go, burpee. Good workout, guys. See you next week.
Oh, the toe. Oh, okay then.
What am I doing?
Oh.
Guys, I'm quitting YouTube.
Oh, why?
April
It's October.
Whatever. So the last thing I'm gonna go through is I'm gonna go through my shopping and food. Oh, the cider. So I have Amazon, which I love, Apple Store, and all these shoe apps.
So out of breath. Oh, it's because we have. So when
that are undownloaded because my phone undownloaded.
But okay, you have all those. I put all those shoe apps on your phone because when we're trying to get you new shoes, you have to enter the raffle on your phone. I enter them on my phone. Papa enters them on his phone. So we have multiple chances.
You guys want to know a quick story? One time I wanted shoes so bad. We entered in all of them, and I wanted these shoes so bad. My mom even entered for me too. I didn't win anything. My dad won the shoes, and he could still pick his shoe size. And he knew how badly I wanted the shoes, and he just kept them for himself. Like he doesn't have 50 million pairs of shoes already. I was so upset that day. I was like,
I know.
That was messed up. I was like, are you kidding me? That was so messed up.
And then I think he has another pair of those shoes.
Just like them. Like literally, they're like.
But the shoes he did just win for you are really nice.
That's true.
Those are cute.
But I'm never gonna get over that. That was so messed up.
Yeah.
That was
really, really messed up.
It's like, no, this one has a different colorway. Instead of red, it's a
dark red.
It's a deep maroon. Like, bro.
It's not a red, it's raw. Sir! That is the same thing!
Same color! And my TikTok, I'm going to show you guys some TikTok drafts. Let's get a little intimate here. So, this is my, So, when I got this new phone, I'm really upset because
oh my gosh, me too.
It deleted all of my drafts. And I had so many funny drafts from when I was like 6 years old. Not really 6, but I had so many funny drafts. And
from elementary school.
I'm so upset that they're all gone now.
Because, so back then, it was, was it Musical.ly? Jordyn was not allowed to post because she was in like 4th grade, 5th grade. I don't know, but she was able to make the videos. And she just never posted them. So there was like 3,000.
No, I had like 3,600 drafts.
Oh my god.
Now I only have 10, and it's really upsetting.
That's
It
so
really
sad.
hurts my soul. I'm going to show you guys, I saved some of them and they're at private, so I'm going to show you one of them, which is, oh my god. Like, what is this? What am I doing? You see, like, and then, what is this one?
It's bedtime,
Oh,
bestie.
oh
It's bedtime.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys a draft I made recently. Let's get a little bit intimate here.
Yo, bro, if you got sketches on, get out my face, bro.
That's post-worthy, I think.
She be trying to get me bullied.
That's
her, like, number one goal in life, is to get me
would
bullied.
never do that.
Oh my god, do you think it's...
No, you're gonna... No. Jordyn Lene. Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, guys.
The bed is moving every which way.
14 Pro, if you're thinking of getting it, it's pretty good, I would say. There's not that many differences I've noticed. I had the iPhone 12 before this. I haven't really noticed anything, but the camera is really high quality. It really gets in the nitty-gritties. So
it do be all up in your pores.
if you don't want that, I recommend maybe not getting it. The cameras like stick out, so I had to get like these camera covers on it because without it would be like they're so bulky.
Yeah, and then it risks messing up the...
And like, why is they're so bulky?
Yeah.
But yeah, I do recommend not getting it if you like don't want that camera quality, but the camera quality is really good, really crisp, really sharp. So yeah, and that's basically it. I'm sorry I didn't really have a lot. I did just oh my god, guys, it's a hidden Mickey.
Please stop.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.